Bring the needle through the first stitch line at 1. Take the needle in through point 2, which lies diagonally across 1 on the second stitch line. Then, take the needle back through point 3, which lies near point 2. The same procedure will be worked on the first stitch line. Take the needle diagonally across to point 4 and bring the needle back out through point 5. Continue to make such crosses on both stitch lines alternately. Ensure the diagonal stitches are parallel to each other to bring out the best look. The herringbone forms the base for many embroideries across the world. It is perfect for a border on an embroidery project. The herringbone stitch is very versatile with many variations. It is fun to experiment with different threads and different spacing to make visually different looks with this easy-to-stitch embroidery stitch. The herringbone stitch forms a V-shaped stitch with the cross threads, creating a continuous twill-like weave effect. A finished sequence of the herringbone stitch would look